The power of feelings and visualization. Hello, Self-Empower friends. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of self-knowledge and personal transformation. Today, we will immerse into the depths of our psyche to discover how our feelings and desires can literally shape our reality. Have you ever dreamed of achieving your highest goals and living the life you've always wanted? In today's episode, we will unravel this mystery, and we will give you practical tools to apply in your daily life. Are you ready to unlock the power of your mind and heart? Before we begin, I want to ask you a small favor. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any of our transformative videos. Also, if you find value in our content, don't forget to like the video. This helps us a lot and allows us to continue creating high-quality content for all of you. Now, without further ado, let's begin this transformative journey. In life, we often feel like we are in a constant search for happiness and fulfillment. But what if I told you that it all starts with what you feel inside? Neville Goddard, a pioneer in the study of consciousness and manifestation, always emphasized that you are what you feel. Our feelings are not just reactions, they are the language of our soul that guides us towards our true essence and purpose. This inner journey can reveal surprising truths about ourselves, unlocking doors to possibilities we had never considered. There is always more to discover, more to experience. Read on and start exploring the unexplored depths of your being. Think about this. When we react to something, is it our knowledge or our emotions that take control? Statistics and psychological studies show that emotions often have the upper hand. For example, if we see something on the ground that looks like a snake, our first impulse is fear, not rationalization. Neville Goddard taught us something revolutionary. We can turn our future dreams into present facts. But how? Through assuming the feeling of fulfilled desire. Imagine waking up every morning feeling like you have already achieved your goals. It's a powerful concept that we're going to break down for you today. We will discover how our thoughts and emotions can shape our reality and how, by changing our internal perception, we can influence our external world. Keep watching to learn how to apply these transformative ideas in your life. Let me tell you the story of Monik, a therapist from Montreal. For years, he unknowingly lived in a state of lack. But one day, he decided to change his mentality. He began to visualize himself as someone prosperous and full of resources. And something amazing happened. Through a series of events, including an unexpected lottery win, Monik transformed her life. This story illustrates the power of changing our mindset and how our actions can align with our new thoughts. Stay with us to discover how Monik applied these techniques and how you too can use them to transform your own reality. Monik's story is an inspiring example of how internal change can lead to extraordinary results. Now, you may be wondering, how can I apply this in my life? First, clearly define your desire. Then close your eyes and visualize it as if it had already happened. Feel all the emotions associated with that achievement. It is important not only to think about your desire, but to live it in every cell of your being. Imagine the taste of success, the joy of accomplishment, and allow these sensations to permeate your being. In the next segment, we will show you detailed techniques and practical examples so that this visualization becomes a powerful transformation tool in your life. Stay with us to discover how to make your deepest dreams come true through this powerful process. The cycle of the creative process begins with a thought, followed by a feeling, and culminates in a physical manifestation. Without assuming the feeling of a wish fulfilled, it is difficult for our dreams to materialize. Our job is to learn to live in that feeling and allow it to guide our actions. Start each day with a visualization session. Use statements in the present tense. For example, if your dream is to be successful in your career, use affirmations like, "I am successful in my career." Act as if you have already reached your goal. This could include taking concrete steps toward your goal and maintaining a positive, confident attitude. In the next few minutes, we will explain how these visualizations and affirmations can be integrated into your daily routine and transformed into effective actions. We will show you how consistency in this process not only changes your mentality, but also how it can positively influence your environment and the people around you. Stay with us to learn how to turn your dreams into reality with proven techniques and inspiring testimonials. Conclusion: Friends of Self-Empower. Remember, manifesting our desires can take time and requires patience and persistence. Don't expect immediate results, but trust the process. If this video has inspired you and you want to continue this journey of transformation with us, don't forget to share it with your friends and loved ones. Your feedback is the heart of our community. We'd love to read your experiences and thoughts. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit like so you don't miss any of our future videos. Together, let's make this a space of growth and positivity. Until next time, and remember, your mind is your greatest power.